Hey everybody, this is Scott Grammer and I am the old audio guy, and what you're looking at here is a Sansui 990 dB. Not a 9090 dB, a 990 dB. This is the European blackface version. Otherwise, it's identical to the American 9090 dB. And I have just finished doing a complete recap on it. It has got all new electrolytics. It's had the FM aligned. It's had the pots and switches cleaned. It has had new royal blue LEDs put in it at the customer's request. And this, ladies and gentlemen, let's get some applause going. This is the 500th repair in this shop, in this location. Of course, it's not the 500th repair I've ever done. It's probably closer to the 5,000th. But anyway, here we go. Of course, I can't leave the music playing long. I'll get a copyright strike. But there it is. Number 500, folks. Let's try for 1,000. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.